Turning on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below. And if this is your first time on the channel, I'm Joey and we've got a couple of cars on this channel. We got a 2006 Mustang, a 2008 Mustang, and a 2019 Mustang. So we're gonna go right into the video today. So Pat's is disabled, key is in the ignition, but something is still not happy internally. So car doesn't want to crank at all. So I'm thinking potentially could be the fuse box, because everything internally has power or can have power. Radio can work, CD and radio can work, the fans can work. I don't know if you can hear this. Okay, so that has power, that has juice. But when you go to crank it, you get a sound from the smart junction box. So that's leaving me to believe that if no power is going from the fuse box to the starter, then there has to be something electrically going on that is preventing the car from cranking over. So a couple of different things popped up on the codes. I'm going to show them right here on the video. The next day. Well guys, it's another day in the project world of swapping cars. So we found a car, a donor car on eBay, and it had a fuse box and another part that I think I'm gonna need. So I went ahead and ordered it today, so should get it in a couple days. We'll see, and we'll officially plug it into the car and try turning the key again in a couple days once the stuff comes, and see if this fixes what is causing the car to not crank or do anything. So I have a couple suspicions, but again, here's the pictures of what we saw for codes. And so that being the case, I know that with the car having enough voltage, it took away the ECM, PCM code, and that's good. So just means that the battery needs a little bit more voltage. So once the car is up and running, if we can get it to that point, it'll be okay. Otherwise, we're gonna have to do a little bit more digging as to what's not happening. But this is what happens when you got a V6 car with a V8 going in, and you gotta anticipate other things to go wrong. In this case, I actually overlooked it, and I thought I might be able to skate by and, you know, not have to do it. But this is sometimes what you have to do. You have to find a parts car, and you gotta buy whatever parts you need. So stay tuned on more things coming up this way. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.